If you're thinking about selling your real estate note, one question you're probably asking is, will I owe taxes on the sale? I'm Phil Gorman. I can't give you tax advice. You'll need to talk to a CPA for that. But I can explain how note sales work from a tax perspective so you know what questions to ask your tax advisor. Here's the simple version. When you sell a note, you're usually going to realize a capital gain or loss. That's the difference between what you sell it for and what your basis is. Let me give you an example. Let's say you sold a property for $200,000 and financed $150,000 of it. Your basis in that note is generally $150,000. Now, 10 years later, you sell the note for $90,000. The difference, $60,000, is a capital loss. Or if you sell it for $110,000, you have a $10,000 capital gain. That gain is subject to capital gains tax. Now, several things affect how much tax you'll actually owe. First, how long have you held the note? If it's been less than a year, it's considered a short-term capital gain and taxed at ordinary income rates. If it's been more than a year, it's a long-term capital gain and usually taxed at a lower rate. Second, your overall income situation. Capital gains are added to your other income, and your total tax depends on your total income for the year. Third, whether you're selling in a year where you have other gains or losses. If you have losses from other investments, you can offset your note sale gains. And fourth, whether you qualify for any special tax treatment. Some situations have different rules. Your CPA can advise on this, so what should you do? Before you sell, talk to a CPA. Tell them you're planning to sell a note and ask them to estimate your tax liability. They can also advise you on timing. Sometimes it makes sense to sell this year, sometimes next year. Sometimes a partial sale spread across 2 years saves you more in taxes than a full sale in 1 year. Your CPA can run the numbers and help you make the smartest decision. So yes, you'll likely owe taxes on a note sale, but how much depends on your specific situation. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to learn more about preparing to sell your note, download my free report, 5 Insider Tips to Maximize the Value of Your Trust Deed Note. Link below. I'm Phil Gorman. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.